Hello, everyone. In today's tutorial, we're going to walk you through the process of blurring the background of an image using Wepik's editor. This can help your main subject stand out and give a professional touch to your photos. First, choose the image you want to edit. Remember, high-resolution images will share the best results. Click on the Depth Effect pop-up located on the upper right corner of the image. This separates all the different elements into layers, making it easier to apply effects. Next, select Background. This allows you to specifically target the background of your image for editing. Now, it's time to apply the blur effect. You'll find this option on the right bar. Simply click on it to start blurring your background. The blur effect can be adjusted with the slider. The more you slide to the right, the more intense the blur. Once you're satisfied with the look of your image, download it in high resolution. And there you have it. You've successfully blurred the background of your image using Wepik's editor. Thanks for watching.